If you've ever typed something into ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude and thought, man, really wonder who's over here on the other side reading this shit, this video is for you. That's real AI running on my own computer. Internet completely powered off. Nothing I type leaves this machine. There's no account, no subscription, and no cloud. Most people think this needs a $5,000 graphics card or some wild computer science degree. I'm gonna be real honest. It doesn't. I don't have any of that. If your laptop runs a bunch of Chrome tabs, it'll run this. I'll have you talking to your own AI, local AI, in about 10 minutes, absolutely for free. My name is Ati. I build and run this stuff myself, and I'm going to give you the honest drawbacks to all this. Step by step, no skip parts. And why does this matter? So, what's the reason to even watch a video like this? Okay? Number one is going to be privacy. Whatever you type on your machine stays on your machine. Number two, no subscription. It's free forever. And number three, you own everything on that machine. Nothing gets logged. Nothing trains on your data. And you own all your information. So let's think about what you'd actually use that for. Summarizing private documents, drafting sensitive emails. Maybe you don't want someone or something looking at that sensitive information. Maybe it's your company's information, your banking information, your private credentials for whatever. Brainstorming something personal, money, health, a hard conversation that you don't want anything to know about. Brainstorming something personal, money related, finances, health, or maybe just a hard conversation you don't want anyone to know about, but you just want a thinking partner, and a thinking partner that you own without being logged anywhere. And that's what this unlocks. So now we're going to actually do it. I'm not hiding any steps. First, the tool I'm going to be using is something free called Ollama. It's in essence a framework that you can use to download. It's an open source framework that you can download language learning models. It's similar to what the Android store or the Apple store is, where you can download apps. Some are free, some cost money. Similar situation here. Ollama, you can run and download language learning models on your machine. You can also use their cloud, which will cost money. I don't do any of that, I'll be honest. If you're nervous, totally understandable, okay? I'm going to show you how it runs. It's going to be another video on downloading the model. This is just going to be something clean. I'm going to just run it real quick, and I'm going to just have it displayed on the screen. I just want you to see just a really, really quick demonstration of what this is all about, okay? I don't know if it's downloaded or not, but we're going to run it. That one command downloads the model and starts it. So I'm going to run the quick command, a couple minutes, one time only. Then it's yours and offline forever. Let me just go ahead and type it in real fast so we're together. So I'm running a small, fast one called Llama 3.2, right? It runs great, even on like the most modest laptop. There are bigger, smarter ones like Quen 3 or many others that I don't want to talk about to overwhelm you. But this is a really nice, perfect place to start. On your computer, 8 gigs of RAM is going to run small models smoothly. 16 gigs is ideally the sweet spot. I'm talking about VRAM, so we'll leave the Apple products for another video. Apple Silicon and all their hardware can run a lot bigger and faster models, and I'll have a video for that at a later time, right? So the sweet spot is going to be Between 12 to 16 is ideal. Clearly, if you've got more than that, like a 24 gig graphics card, I mean, you're talking real business there, but then we're getting into stupid amount of money that does not make any sense for most people, right? Any decent graphics card, it's basically instant when it comes to the response rate and latency. Not really much hardware is needed. Start small and you could size up later. Just really, you don't want to go in there, go guns blazing, getting the most badass graphics card when you're getting things started, okay? I'm just going to do one quick sentence. I'm just going to explain who you are in one sentence and see what it says, okay? Boom. Real answer, running on my machine. You can see in the bottom right hand corner, the internet is disconnected. There is zero internet on this machine. And completely off. Now we're going to ask something real. I'm just going to have it word me a polite email declining a meeting, okay? If I can type. Boom. It still answers zero internet, nothing sent anywhere. That's real, private AI running on nothing but this machine, as you can see. Now, as promised, the brutal honesty, the straight upfront truth, okay? It's small and fast. It's not a brainiac. It's not a genius, okay? For everyday stuff, it's more than enough, right? Summarizing emails, taking a look at maybe 1 or 2 page document, giving you a little bit of a proofreading. For super hard reasoning, for super hard intensive coding, building out wild automations and all that crazy stuff that you see with these frontier models, the cloud models are going to win right now, okay? But one thing I'm going to be upfront with you, it's this is running on your machine. It's free, and honestly, this gap is going to get smaller and smaller every single month. There's technology is advancing at such an astronomical pace that I will not be surprised if these local models get more advanced, if these local models have the capabilities of running on smaller hardware, less expensive hardware, okay? So, that's it. Real AI running on your machine, totally private and 100% free, okay? So I did make a free 1-page setup checklist on everything in this video. I'd like for you to comment the word private, private, and I will send it right over to you. And I'm going to be doing a whole series on this, okay? Local models, giving your AI memory, and the cheap hardware that you need to run it, okay? So this is something that you like, this is something that you're a fan of, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.